Did you submit your listing into active status instead of incoming status? Well, let me show you the best way to correct this if you needed to stay in incoming a little bit longer. You would have to go back into the input screen, add new, select current property type, and use the field from existing listing, because at this point you cannot place your active listing, meaning that it's already been seen or already been put out there for a certain amount of time. You cannot place it back into incoming or coming soon status. So you would have to relist your property. So field from existing listing, field from, and now you've created a new listing. So at this point, I will make this listing. I will put this listing into incoming status, which is what I want. Now I've created a new MLS number, and let your MLS department take care of that old listing for you. And now you have exactly what you wanted. Like and subscribe and follow us on our social medias.